Are you an H-1B visa holder wondering if you can legally trade stocks or invest in crypto while working in the U.S.? In 2025, knowing the difference between passive investing and active trading is crucial to staying compliant with immigration laws and avoiding status risks. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel. My name is Miatrai Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we assist clients in all 50 states and around the world. To get direct access to the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case, make sure to click the like and subscribe button to stay connected. Many H-1B visa holders often wonder whether it's lawful for them to trade stocks while in the United States. The H-1B visa serves as a temporary work permit for skilled foreign professionals designed specifically for specialized occupations and requiring sponsorship from an employing organization. Because the visa's primary purpose is employment-based, it's important to understand how activities outside of the scope of employment, like trading stocks, fit into the visa's regulatory framework. Today, we'll clarify whether H-1B holders can lawfully trade stocks, the types of trading allowed, and the legal considerations to keep in mind. Now let's talk about general permissions for personal stock trading. So individuals on an H-1B visa may participate in stock market investments as long as they engage solely in passive trading activities. Passive investment means that the individual is buying and selling stocks, mutual funds, exchange trade funds, so ETFs, or bonds for personal financial growth without engaging in active business management, day trading as a primary occupation, or operating a formal trading business in the U.S. Immigration rules are clear that any work outside the H-1B employment for which the visa is issued is not permitted unless specifically authorized by USCIS. Now, before we dive deeper, if you have any specific questions or need more details, feel free to drop them in the comments section, or you can reach out to us directly to our website at www.directusimmigration.com. We are always here to help and would love to hear from you. Now, let's jump back into the types of trading allowed. First is passive stock trading. So passive stock includes activities such as long-term investments or occasional buying and selling of securities. This is akin to any U.S. resident managing a personal portfolio for future savings or retirement. Such activities do not involve work in the legal sense and are permissible under the terms of the H-1B visa. Second is day trading as a hobby. So while occasional day trading for personal use is generally allowed, it must not rise to the level of full-time engagement that looks like employment or a business activity. If the trading starts requiring significant time, effort, or skill akin to running a business, it can be interpreted as unauthorized work, which may violate the H-1B visa conditions. Third is dividend earnings. So receiving dividends from investments is considered passive income. Dividends that arise from stock market holdings are allowed as they do not involve active work or labor. Now, let's talk about activities to avoid. So H-1B holders should be cautious of engaging in any stock trading activities that could appear as work or self-employment. Specific activities to avoid include running a trading business where you actively manage other people's funds, using stock trading as your primary source of income, spending extensive time actively trading daily, which could resemble a job or enterprise. Participating in such activities could increase violating your H-1B visa terms and invite scrutiny or penalties during future visa extensions or green card applications. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. I have even more insider tips coming up in future videos that you will not want to miss. Now, let's talk about tax implications. So H-1B holders are taxed as U.S. residents for tax purposes. So any income generated from stock trading, whether in the form of capital gains or dividends, must be accurately reported in your annual tax return. Failure to report this income can lead to legal and immigration consequences. Consulting with a tax advisor familiar with the tax obligations of H-1B holders is always a good idea. Now, let's talk about legal considerations. So while stock trading is permissible for H-1B holders, it is vital to keep the following points in mind. The primary focus must remain on fulfilling your H-1B employment obligations. Any activity that affects or conflicts with this responsibility can jeopardize your visa status. If you're unsure whether your trading activities may violate your visa terms, consulting with an immigration attorney is highly recommended. Overall, individuals with H-1B status are permitted to engage in stock trading activities in the U.S. as long as their participation remains purely passive and doesn't constitute regular employment or commercial enterprise. Passive stock trading, occasional day trading for personal purposes, and earning dividends are generally permissible. However, it is critical to ensure that such activities do not conflict with the primary purpose of your H-1B visa, which is employment by your sponsoring company. By staying informed and compliant with immigration policies, you can make the most of stock market opportunities without jeopardizing your immigration status. For more detailed information on recent policy updates, you can visit the USCIS official announcements page. So thanks for tuning in today. For more resources, check out the description below, where you'll find questionnaires to help determine the most appropriate visa for your needs, as well as a curated list of some of my travel favorites. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content, comment with topics you'd like me to cover, and share this video widely. It might just help someone you know. For personalized advice, schedule a consultation with us at the link below. For weekly news updates, sign up to our newsletter and tune into our channel. Until next time, stay informed and travel smart.